Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create and manage product bundles here in Shopify. So let's begin. So here we are in Shopify.com, and the first thing that we will do to create bundles is go here to the search button, and from here let's type bundle, and you want to click here on the search for bundle in the Shopify App Store. Once you click on it, you will be redirected to the Shopify App Store right here, and you would see a lot of bundle apps right here that you could use for bundling your products. So you can use a lot of apps right here, so depending on your budget or whatever aspect that you may want to consider, so just pick the right one. But in this example, we'll be using Bundler right here. So click on this one right here. Let's click on this and click on the add app right here. This is also what I recommend. And yeah, and you want to click on install apps right here so that it will be installed. And now that we're here, let's just wait for it. And now here we are, and as you can see, I only have a free trial on Bundler, so we can take that into account when we're creating our bundle right here in the process. So click here on create bundle so we can create. And for this one, we only have two choices available because as you can see, my trial is, this plan is only for free trial or a free plan, just like what I have told you earlier. That's why I can't avail these two options right here. So if you'd like to avail this, then you would need to upgrade your plan. So in this tutorial, we'll just go for classic bundle, and after that we will be redirected right here. We're going to provide the details for our bundle right here. So we're just going to go over this very quickly. So the bundle name that I would want is bundle giga, just like that. And for the title, you can customize it if you want, in the description also. So yeah, you can customize this, and the total price template. This is important if you'd want to emphasize the discount or the amount that they saved, the customer has saved from buying this bundle right here. So you can set the original price and then the discounted price right here, so that the customer would be able to see the difference of the discounted and original price. And the call to action button, you can also modify this if you'd want to. So add to cart. Instead, I'll just go for buy now, just like that. And you can also modify the text under this button right here. So you can go for something, but I think this one is enough for me. But if you want to modify something or add maybe, then you can just go and put it right here. And for the priority settings, you can just go for whatever number right here. If you have 10 bundles, so you can just go for 10 right here, then this would mean that this bundle would be in the last of the arrangement or sequence. So if you only have one bundle in your store, then you don't need to mess around with this, it's useless. But if you have many bundles right here, 2 or more, then you can use this right here if you want to arrange your sequence. And now for the bundle status, you want to go make sure that it's active so that you would be able to see it in your store, and show the bundle widget to show right here. And you can also use the discount can only be claimed by customers tagged with the following tags right here. So if you want to make this bundle available only for certain customers, then you can use it by using tags. So if you don't know how to use tags, then you can just go here in the customers right here, click on customers right here, and you would be able to modify the tags right here. But that is completely another topic, so we're not gonna go deep into that. And you can go for the colors right here if you want to. So you can go for green or something like that. To configure it, you can go to bundler settings, then color settings. And now here the important part is the discount. So it depends on how much discount you're gonna give, or you can just go for a fixed amount right here if you'd want to, or set discounts on products, or maybe bundle price right here, or without discount if you'd want to. And for percentage discount, we'll just go for this one, let's say 30%. After that, you can also go give free shipping right here. So you could actually go for without discount but with free shipping. Then I think that it's still a pretty good deal. But again, it requires an upgraded plan right here. And also here in the bundle product panel, it also requires a upgraded plan. And after that, discounted products bundle, and you could also select a product right here if you'd want to bundle different products. So selected right here. So let me just choose these products right here. As you can see, these products are now discounted in the bundle. So yeah, you can do that as well. And the discount conditions, you can also do this right here. And yeah, we're just gonna go skim through this really fast. For the discount conditions, you can have these 3 options, and the bundle short code, if you don't want to, then you can just go and do this right here. Let's just close this, and landing page content. And yeah, so once you're done with all of this right here, then you can just go click here on save bundle, so that you would be able to use this bundle now. And as you can see, we are suggested to perform a quick check, so click here on product page, and you can see the bundle right here. And as you can see, here it is, but as you can see, it's not included all of it because we didn't properly customize it, because we just skim through with the process as fast as we can. But you can modify this with your own, because you can just easily modify it right here in the settings. And now that you can see that it's working, then we can go click on yes right here. And that's basically it for this video.
If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.